Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have HUAWEI FreeLace Pro 2 earphones, Bluetooth earphones, and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If these headphones are not connecting to Bluetooth, or they're not pairing or syncing with your device, or if they keep disconnecting, or if you're having any issues like this, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. The second reason is if you want to get these headphones set up as a new set of headphones and wipe all the pairing history off of it so that you can go ahead and set them up as anew, we can go ahead and do that quite easily on here. All we need to do is this particular version, the FreeLace Pro 2, has an actual power switch that you switch on, and it needs to be switched on into the on position for this to work. And then we're going to press and hold that function button, the play button basically, for at least 10 seconds while we watch the indicator light. And when the indicator light flashes red and then white, we can release the button. And that will indicate that the reset is complete, and we can go ahead and pair these earphones again like a new set of earphones.